Subscribe, hit that bell. Message dings like a wishing well. Every view and every like, you light up my starry nights. From zero to a hero's rise, you have made me touch the skies. In the comments you always cheer, turning doubt into crystal clear. Thank you, one and all, for each share and every call. Together we can conquer it. Love you fans, every little bit. Every little bit. Late night uploads, caffeine dreams. You're the wind beneath my wings. Laughs and blogs and all the trends. You're my family, my friends. Through the pixels, through the screen, you and I, a perfect team. Click by click and frame by frame, you're the stars in this big game. Thank you, one and all, for each share and every call. Together we can conquer it. Love you fans, every little bit. Every little bit. Through the pixels, through the screen, you and I, a perfect team. Click by click and frame by frame, you're the stars in this big game. Every little bit. Every little bit. Every little bit. Every little bit. In a world where glue and scissors meet, paper folds and glitter on my feet. Crafty hands create night magic on the table, building dreams with colored cable. Sewing threads connect the seams of life. Scissors cutting sharp like a knife. Paints and brushes dance across the floor. Ribbons twirl and fabrics we adore.